Good morning, campers. It's about 8:30 in the morning here at MacArthur Park. So I'm gonna make some coffee and then I'm gonna go check out Burney Falls. We're now on a walk to go to the base of Burney Falls, and apparently a thing called Rainbow Bridge. Rainbow Bridge. I wonder if that's the same bridge from Mario Kart. Definitely not the same bridge from Mario Kart. So here it is, Burney Falls. It's actually a pretty cool location. I'm not sure if you can even hear me with this waterfall nonsense, right? But it's a great photo opportunity if you're into photography. Decent campground, so hey, that worked out. And a lot of people are taking photos. So we're gonna move along this trail and see what else we can discover. Well, I thought it was high time for a truck adventure. It's a little bit rainy right now, unfortunately, but we're going a little off-roading here in this trail. Yeah, I found a log that's sort of in my way a little bit. I want to clear a better path. So, truck axe. So we're out here, a little bit of, it's a trail, but it's a rough trail, so that's kind of fun. Get to take the truck to the trail and go explore some areas that most people probably don't go to. So yeah, we're gonna continue on the trail and see where it takes us. I had to clear a little bit of a path here to get past this log just now. I didn't take the whole log down. It was already like that, but it needed a little more space for my wide truck. Yeah, it's a thing, but it's fine. We took care of it. Did it. So we are somewhere in California, north of probably San Jose. I am headed to Santa Cruz. So a little revision in the plan. Was supposed to go to Tahoe after Northern California. But the forecast for Tahoe is a lot of sleet and rain and snow. It's actually raining here in California right now. But I decided that I did not want to do any snow camping right yet now. And also, my cousin lives in Santa Cruz along with my aunt and uncle, where I'm going to stay for a couple of days. And then together, my cousin and I and her boyfriend are going to go to Yosemite. So that's the next major stop on the trip, and filling up the thirsty truck. So the truck has a 36-gallon tank. You can get pretty far, but then you have to fill it. We'll see how costly that is. Still going. So interestingly, it stops at $100, which it did to me at a previous gas station. So I'm thinking that just might be where they stop. Like, who spends more than $100 on gas in one stop? Apparently me. Okay, so, but then you go into the truck, and we have a little bit more room in there. So let's see if we can put more in. $127.60 to fill the tank in the Raptor. Now, I was nearly empty, but I do have a 36-gallon tank, so I can get between 500 and 600 miles per tank, and that's what I've been kind of averaging on this trip, depending upon if I'm doing rural driving or highway driving. And that's with this load. So without the load, I actually get a little better gas mileage. So maybe 18 miles per gallon on the highway without all this stuff, and 15, 16 with it. We'll see how it goes from here. I made it to Santa Cruz. I'm at my aunt and uncle's house, and we're gonna take a little rest here and then get back on the road soon.